Hi and welcome. In this video I will demonstrate how to search publication for specific author name or organization. For this you will go to the Advanced Search and you will go to the References tab. You first have to enter the family name of the person you want to search under Author and Inventor name field. So I would like to search for the publication of someone called Thomas Vogelsang. So you see, as I start to write the family name, several names appears. It's always better if you know the first name of the author to write the name. And I got 132 results. Of course, if you go in the filters of author and inventor, you will see other names than Vogelsang, because of course you'll have the name of the co-author on the different publication. You could also get a much more precise result by combining the author name with the organization. You could combine your search with organization, and I'm going to look for Rambus, and I've got 39 results for Thomas Vogelsang working in Rambus. You just have to note that not all records may have the author affiliation of the second and subsequent authors. Thank you for listening.